Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to discuss which is better. Is it Lmnt or Keto Chow? Let's begin. Okay, so Lmnt and Keto Chow are both popular within the ketogenic community, but they serve different purposes, which we are going to dive deep today. So moving forward, let's talk about Keto Chow first. It's basically a brand that produces meal replacement shakes right here, specifically designed for people following a ketogenic diet because these shakes aim to provide a convenient, balanced option for individuals on a low-carb, high-fat diet, right? Now, keto shake comes in powder form and are typically mixed with water, heavy cream, or any fat source or choice to create a meal replacement drink. The ingredients are formulated to be low in carbohydrates, moderate in protein, and high in healthy fats. Right here. So these are the flavors. The apple pie, banana, cookies and cream, caramel macchiato, chocolate, and chocolate mint. Well, they also have the chocolate peanut butter, chocolate toffee, eggnog, and gingerbread, which are seasonal. Guava grapefruit, Irish cream, lemon meringue, key lime, mocha. There's a lot of them. I suggest you go here at Keto Chow, all right? And you can shop all flavors right here. So they claim these are delicious. And if you're new to Keto Chow, you might want to start your keto journey right here. Let's talk about the prices, shall we? They also have the Keto Chow Core, starter kits and bundles, supplements, subscriptions, bottles, and more. So for more information about Keto Chow, just go here at their official website, alright? So we also have a separate comparison video of Lmnt, but for those who haven't checked our channel, basically, it's a brand that specializes in electrolyte drink mixes, primarily aimed at providing effective hydration, especially for individuals following low-carb or ketogenic diets, all right? So here's the ingredients or what's inside Lmnt. It's sodium, magnesium, and potassium. They are very transparent on what's inside the product. It's created by experts, including Rob Wolf, all right? So here it claims they have no sugar, no gluten, and no dodgy ingredients, so you are safe and you can trust Lmnt. They are providing the best product there is, all right? But of course, all products have cons, especially for Lmnt, because some users might find the limited flavor range less appealing compared to other brands that offer a wider variety of taste. And compared to generic or standard electrolyte products, Lmnt can be pricier due to its specialized formulation and focus on quality ingredients. Now, taste is subjective because some individuals might find the taste or lack of sweetness in Lmnt's products not as appealing as other electrolyte drink options. And of course, depending on location, accessibility to Lmnt products might be limited, especially outside certain regions or countries. Now, in terms of Keto Chow, again, similar to Lmnt, taste is very subjective. And while many users appreciate Keto Chow's flavors, some individuals might find them too artificial or not to their liking. This sweetness level may also be different from what some people expect. While convenient as a meal replacement, preparing Keto Chow shakes involves mixing the powder with water and often leaving it to refrigerate for a few hours or overnight, and this might not suit individuals seeking an instant meal replacement option. And of course, some individuals reported that they are experiencing digestive issues or difficulty adjusting to the high fat content or specific ingredients in Keto Chow products. Okay, so here's the thing. Choosing between the two might depend again on your needs. Say, for example, if you're looking for a convenient meal replacement with a balanced micronutrients or macronutrients profile aligned with a ketogenic diet, Keto Chow might be more suitable. However, if you're primarily seeking an electrolyte supplement without added sugars or artificial ingredients, I believe, honestly, Lmnt would be the best choice for that specific purpose. And again, some individuals may even use both products in conjunction to support their ketogenic diet goals, using Keto Chow for meals and Lmnt for electrolyte supplementation. I'm using both, so my advice is try them first. Again, go to their websites to check their benefits and features, so you might want to align that to your specific goals and needs, especially if you have allergies or on medications. All right. And once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support by sharing our links to your social media platforms. We will see you again in the next video.